Hello guys, my name is Caden, and today I'm going to make kind of another little update video. Again, more with the Oldsmobile 98. So, as you can see, we're now in running condition, but the main thing I wanted to show you, check this out. So, it is possible to bypass an air conditioning compressor on this engine. This is not possible on the Series 2 due to the way they route the other pulleys. On anything before a Series 2, on a 3800, you'll be able to bypass it like this. So now, because this down here, you can see the clutch is not attached anymore. It just freely spins there. So how you do it is, so the measurement, now listen to this, 73¼ inch. That is going to be the most perfect fit on this vehicle. I tried with a couple others and they were too loose. 73¼ inch does it perfectly. There's absolutely no noise. Everything's tensioned perfectly. And we have a running car without a noisy AC compressor. Now, I did finish installing the heater core with some new hoses. These clamps are kind of a pain, but if you use one of those hose clamps tools, it's not too bad. Don't mind the glove box still apart. Damn, this thing is hot in here now. I mean, I've had the heat going for a minute now, set at the max, and I mean, it's just roasting in here right now. The heater core was definitely an issue. This thing is so freaking hot now. I think this heat works better than in my Bonneville now. It's like the heat in my LeSabre. It's crazy. So I attached the little the arm back. I had to put the HVAC controller and the little blend door arm so I could get it to open the hot side for me and actually open up one of the lower duct here, because before they were all, you know, off. And the little plastic piece, there's a little plastic piece that goes on the end of this. Well, that snapped off. It's more than likely going to snap off when you go to remove it. It happens. I cut a very small thin piece of Gorilla Tape and I just wrapped it around the end of that a couple times, and it's not gonna go anywhere. It won't. I did a little wiggle test, pull test. It doesn't move up or down. It's not going anywhere. So that's my hack for that. Radio install looks nice, and now we just have to put everything back together. And I gotta clean up some wiring here for the amplifier and stuff, but it feels so good to have heat now that I can finally put this car back together. And we'll make sure, let's see, we're not overheating, which is nice. And you're probably gonna get a flicker from the display based on the camera picking it up, which means I've got all the air out of the cooling system, which is pretty good, and it's nice and hot. So we are making more progress. But yeah, 73¼ inch. I went to a store called Sturt Events. I don't know if that's known where any of you guys live or anybody who's watching, but you can order them online. You might even be able to get them at O'Reilly's or AutoZone or Disc, you know, any Advanced Auto, any of those stores. So, but yeah, 73¼ inch belt. That is what you will need to bypass the AC compressor until I decide to overhaul that. But anyway, this thing is sounding amazing. Once I get everything back together, it's gonna be drivable. The weather's starting to get a little nicer, so eventually this thing will be drivable. And I'm gonna end up getting some nice white wall tires for it, because these ones are pretty shot now. So anyway, thanks for watching. I just wanted to share that with y'all and know that yes, there is a way. Have a good day, everyone.